my day. Every day should start like this. First of all, big shout out to Matthias, my friend who owns this car. Thank you so much for lending me your ST. 100% dream car. Out of budget, 100%. But never say never. If I can go from being homeless in a supermarket car park when I was 18 to doing what I do now, I also believe I can go that next step and eventually own one of these. Yes. Off we go. No problem. Just simply the best 992 Porsche made to date. So engaging, so raw, but definitely still usable. 38 kilograms lighter than a standard 992 GT3 manual. This is not a track car. It is exactly made for this. It is the dream car for mountain pass runs, back road blasting. Let's get past this one. Look at that. No problem. Oh, I'm already at the top of the mountain pass. I think I'm going to have to drive up another one. Oh well. So let's head over, then down, and then I would say briefly up the Susten Pass also. Now we started on the Alps pass. So let's do that. Let's do a proper run this morning. I am driving the most ridiculous way to the city this morning to get some coffee. So I drove over the Susten Pass. Although I said I was only going to drive at the first bit, I drove over the whole of the Susten Pass, now on the other side. And yeah, now we're going to drive back over again. Because, well, I'm in a 992 ST. And that probably won't happen too frequently. I have driven one, as hopefully most of you know. I did have one to film from a guy from Texas that came to visit. That was last winter, I think. Really nice guy. Spent a few days with him shooting his ST before he then took the car back out to Texas. Well, not back out, but he came here to buy the car, do a collection with Porsche, and then ship the car out to Texas. Anyway, what are we doing? Okay, sports exhaust, yes. That's what I need. That's all I need. So it has a lightweight clutch and single mass flywheel. I personally, so far anyway, don't find it a big issue. It can be a bit tricky. Okay, right now I'm in a big space in a busy city, for example. It might be a bit different. Look, but pulling away, it's really okay. On a very steep hill with cars close behind you, that's going to be another thing. So because of the lightweight flywheel, it revs it's just magic how it revs. But also it makes it a bit tricky because the revs come down very quick. For example, on a hill start, you're really kind of revving it almost like a motorbike, really. This car is going to demand quite a lot from you, I would say. But then again, I drove the 997.2 GT3 RS last week. As hopefully you all know that you watched the video, And now that's a demanding car, way more than this. In today's terms, yes, this is demanding, but after driving the 997 GT3 RS last week, this doesn't feel that demanding. Tunnel. Squeaky brakes, because race car. Another tunnel. Yeah, this is my favorite car. This is my favorite car. Just not my favorite price. So satisfying. Just so good. Suspension I love, and I know that because, well, the 992.2 GT3, my one, shares the same suspension with the ST. It's the best modern suspension I feel like Porsche made. It's so compliant, it just takes the bumps well, it's not too hard like the GT4 RS, for example, that is just back braking, so it's usable. This one has carbon ceramic brakes, magnesium wheels in this kind of matte white, super nice. The window down, because we love this noise. 9,000 RPM. I'm not going to, but I almost want to drive back down and do that again. This might end up being a very long video if I keep doing this. There is a long tunnel, and I know you guys like tunnel sounds. Yep. That passes the tunnel test. It's a very rewarding car. Just that perfect balance of rawness and, dare I say, daily usability. I know the clutch is a bit tricky. This is one of the greats, no question. Anyway, onwards to Zurich to get a well-needed coffee. Coffee done. Tried a new coffee shop just now, totally spontaneous. He actually wrote me on Instagram yesterday, perfect timing for both of us, and his branding is very cool actually. Not sure what it is, but really like it. He made me one to go also. And he is literally just open, so I'm not going to judge him. He's literally just built the bar himself. He has no investors, he's doing everything alone, so the beginning is tough. Right now he literally has the bar and the coffee machine and one grinder. So Not much to choose from coffee wise yet, but he is working on it, and he is actually going to close for around 2 months to finish everything off, but he just wanted to kind of open and get it going. So happy to support a new small business that's opening. Coffee's good. So yeah, I will definitely be coming back once he fully opens properly, let's say. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm now going to go get on with my day. What a perfect way to start my day. Thank you again to Matthias for loaning me your ST. Yeah, what a great morning. Ciao for now.